Hello, YouTubers! Today with Team Donovan, we will be making spicy Brussels sprouts.
So the first thing we're going to do is take off any of the bad parts on the sprouts themselves. It's a little time consuming, but definitely needed. Next, we're going to take the ends off. I'm going to be using my trusted Henkel knives. Affiliate link down in the description. And we're going to cut them in half. This is so the make sure it cooks evenly throughout. And we'll go ahead and rinse them off. And we'll start by using some melted butter, Gochujang. Sorry if I mispronounced it. And some ground pepper, sea salt, garlic, and we'll whisk it all together. Now we'll go ahead and add the sprouts to the bowl. And we'll move them around, coat the sprouts evenly. There you go. Okay, now we're going to add to the air fryer. Affiliate link down into the description. And we'll set the temp to 325 and time to 10 minutes. All right, we'll go ahead and check on it to make sure everything looks good. And then we'll set the temp to 375 for 5 minutes. All right, look at that. Now we have our Brussels sprouts. Nice coating on them. Looks and smells delicious. Don't forget, when you cook, magic happens. Enjoy.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.